Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo ThinkPad. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo ThinkPad won't turn on, it can be quite frustrating. This issue may arise due to several reasons, such as a faulty battery, a malfunctioning power supply, or even internal hardware problems. If left unaddressed, it could lead to further complications, making the repair process more difficult and costly. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a replacement battery, and an anti-static wrist strap. To begin, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Use the plastic opening tool to carefully pry open the back panel of the ThinkPad. Be gentle to avoid damaging the clips. Once the panel is off, locate the battery, which is usually situated at the bottom of the device. Unplug the battery connector by gently pulling it away from the motherboard. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, remove the screws holding the battery in place. Keep track of the screws as they can be small and easy to lose. Lift out the old battery and replace it with the new one, ensuring that it fits snugly into the compartment. Reconnect the battery connector to the motherboard, making sure it is securely attached. Before closing the back panel, double-check that all connections are secure, and there are no loose screws left inside. Carefully align the back panel and press down gently until it clicks into place. After securing the panel, plug in your ThinkPad and turn it on. If the screen lights up, congratulations, you've successfully repaired your device. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure that you regularly charge your laptop and avoid over-depleting the battery. Keeping your device clean and free of dust can also help maintain its performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.